The development of fully automated manufacturing systems dates to the latter half of the 20th century. Fast forward to today, and automation has drastically changed the look and feel of today's manufacturing environments. Automated processes are operating at a speed and level of reliability that could only be imagined in years past. With automated systems, there is still a need for high-intensity illumination for systems like conveyor lines, inspection lines, vision systems, and other traditional manufacturing methods. Waldman Lighting has continually led the way in lighting these environments. We provide several products that answer the demands of today's current automated manufacturing systems. Let's have a look at some of those lights. Waldman Lighting's MACH LED Plus.40 is an LED luminaire that's designed with the automation industry in mind. A 5000K glare-free light in a very compact size makes this a very versatile fixture. 4 lengths of 7, 14, 21, and 28 inches, along with a robust aluminum housing, make it a great choice for automation applications. Its low glare and uniform light with soft light transitions provides glare-free lighting for most applications. Its outer diameter of 40 millimeters is great for tight enclosures. Its rugged design and 4mm glass makes it great for even tougher environments. 24 volts and a 24-volt source is all you need to connect this fixture. It's assembled here in the United States and is resistant to high temperatures, shocks, and vibrations. Let's have a look at the fixture.